Question number 6. Find the sum of the series 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 9 plus 13 plus 17. Read it like this, up to 3 n terms. This is a series 3, 5, 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7. These 3 terms are in AP. Okay. Then next is 6 plus 9 plus 12. These 3 are also in AP. Next, 9 plus 13 plus 17. These 3 are also in AP. But if we count all of them, they are not in AP. है ना? Write them inside the bracket. Okay. Now, take the first term 3 plus 6 plus 9. Is it an AP or not?
Yes, sir.
And if we take first terms of all the pairs, all the trios, trios means 3 numbers. If we take all the series, if we write all the series, whole series with the groups of 3, 3, 3, 3 and take the first terms of each group as the first series. So there will be n terms. Why? Total number of terms is 3n. So these 3 groups, these are n groups. There will be n groups, na? If there are 3n,
Yes.
so there will be n groups of 3 terms each. And if we have written first term of each group, so there will be n terms in first group. Then next, 5 plus 9 plus 13 also has n terms. Is that clear to you? Plus 7 plus 12 plus 17 and so on. This also has n terms. Now look at this. First bracket is an AP of n terms. Second bracket is also an AP of n terms. Third bracket is also an AP of 3 terms of n terms. If we write their sum as S, assuming that AP1 and AP2 and AP3 are the 3 series, and leave it as equation number 1, start for AP1 first of all. For AP1 equals to, what is AP1? 3 plus 6 plus 9 and so on up to n terms. This is the first AP. Is that clear to you? So its first term A equals to 3. Common difference D equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Number of terms n equals to n. So sum of n terms is formula is n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into D equals to n by 2. 2 into value of A is 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 3. It implies Sn equals to n by 2 into 2 3 is 6 plus 3n minus 3 equals to n by 2 into 3n. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 can be taken common. 3n by 2 into, if we take 3 common from this bracket, it is n plus 1. So sum of n terms of first AP is 3n by 2 into n plus 1. Is that clear to you? Then for AP2, write AP2. AP2 is 5 plus 9 plus 13 and so on up to n terms, where A equals to 5, D equals to 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Sum of n terms, if we write sum of n terms of first AP is Sn1, sum of n terms of second AP is Sn2. N by 2 into 2a, formula we already have written once. So there is no need to write it again, or if you want, that is also not incorrect. Okay. So n by 2, 2 5s are 10 plus, open the bracket, 4n minus 4. So n by 2 into 4n plus 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is sum of n terms of second AP is n by 2 into 4n plus 6. Now write the third AP. Right, for AP3. 7 plus 12 plus 17 and so on up to n terms. Sum of n terms of third AP is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 12 minus 7, 5 equals to n by 2 into 14 plus 5n minus 5 equals to n by 2 into 5n plus 14 minus 5 is 9. And then sum of all the APs, Sn, sum of n terms of first AP, sum of n terms of second AP, sum of n terms of third AP is 3n by 2 into, or if we are, first we read all the sums. Sum of all the three APs, each contains n by 2. So instead of using this line, if we use n by 2, this n by 2 can be taken common between the three, na? So we will write this only. N by 2 into 3n plus 3 plus n by 2 into 4n plus 6 plus n by 2 into 5n plus 9. Then take n by 2 common. So 3n plus 3 plus 4n plus 6 plus 5n plus 9 equals to n by 2 into 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. 12n plus 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18. So we can take 6 common from this. So n by 2 into 6 is common into 2n plus 3. 2 3 are 6. So 3n into 2n plus 3 is the answer.